The decrease is done, and here is what you have. Now we got to get to here. We got to do our increase, and then you'll start seeing the indent for the toe. The increase is actually really simple. It's basically the opposite of the decrease. You increase one every row. Now I know the darker color is harder to see, but this was my last decrease. So this one has the 2 over it. I just haven't started working back this way yet. So I'm going to work to the first peg down here on the other end that has 2 stitches on it. Almost there. Oops, dropped a stitch. Drop a stitch, pick it up quick, and put it back on the peg. Okay. First peg right here. First peg right here with 2 stitches on it. Try to separate those out so you can see. And if you're not sure, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take both of those stitches over top the one. You want to kind of put a little more tension on that than some of the rest. That helps to close up any little gaps. And instead of running it in front, you're running it behind the peg, and then you work back. Oops. Alright, it's behind the peg, then you work back to the other side. Okay, over here, first one with 2 on it. Oops. I'm going to wrap around it. Take those bottom over the top. Yarn comes from behind. And then you work over here, pick up the first one, then back, pick up the first one. And you do that until you have all 9 on both sides worked.